I've had this green doormat for a long time. It's not doing too well these days. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's got these bristles, but they've either worn down or fallen off over the years, and we're just left with this. It's got holes in it, and it doesn't do that good. This was thrown out. Somebody had thrown this out somewhere at some point, someplace. I don't know when. It's probably been here for 10 years, if not even more than that. I like the bristles on it. I like the green color of it. And the reason I picked this up, and it was not in prime condition when I did that, when I got it out of the garbage, was because we had a mat like this at my parents' house when I was a kid. So I needed that kind. Now the one that we had a thing in the corner of it. And it was very similar to this. This one, like I said, has been around. It's like the lawnmower ate it when I got it, and it's just shot. So I've been wanting a new one of these, but they're actually kind of hard to find. So I found one. That is what that is supposed to look like right there. Let's get in a little closer. So this is sort of like an AstroTurf kind of material, except it's got bristles. The original Daisy doormat, made in USA to this day. And there's the Daisy. It's a little knackered, it'll unbend or something. It's just plastic, and oftentimes on the old mats that would either fall off or something and get lost or just break and wear away or something like that. All the reviews on this say, wow, this really cleans your shoes really good when you wipe your feet on them. And I can certainly see how. This is so nice. The problem was, a lot of people said, and I did find something close to this or quite similar to it on Amazon, but I ended up going with Walmart because it was actually a little cheaper there. And people were saying, you know, the positive comments were all positive all around. The negative ones were not as shown, you know, different colored green, or didn't have the flower in the corner or something. But this is one of those kitschy kind of things, along with the pink flamingos that were around when I was a kid and were still popular then. And that's why I originally picked up the other green mat. This is a bit darker green, but it will fade and turn to shit in time anyway. But it is still made in USA. It's all there. It's got rounded corners, although that's kind of not so, that's not cut too nice. Is the other side like that? It is, so that's actually totally normal, but not on this edge, okay, and not on this edge, so that just is how it's manufactured, like that. Okay, whatever. Trap skirt attracts, well, that's actually, trap skirt, easy to clean, made in USA. Good, okay, we got that. Specially designed cleaning bristles work on shoes and paws. Put America's hardest working doormat to work for you and keep your home clean. Genuine AstroTurf since 1965. Evergreen color. This is the, they sold it as Grassworx Clean Machine. I bought this. This is not a review per se, as much as it's something from my childhood, and now I have a replacement for what I already had, and it's time now to put this in place. There's some more verbiage here. Cut floor cleaning in half. Grabs, holds, and hides up to 1 pound of dirt at every door. See how it works, and don't scan the QR code. How it works. AstroTurf bristles scrub dirt and debris off your shoes when you shuffle your feet across the mat. Bristles get into the tread of your shoes as well as along the side of the along the side of the soles. Bristles work the same way on pets' paws, cleaning their pads as well as freeing dirt from the fur around their paw pads. Okay, easy to clean. Shake it out. You'll be amazed at how much dirt you save from your floors. Hose it off. Point a heavy stream of water at the mat and spray. When finished, place it back in front of your door. That's it. All there. And I'll tell you one other thing. With the article, with the reviews that I read on this thing, and people saying how it's not the same, and especially that it didn't have the daisy in the corner, which is one of the specific reasons I bought this. I had to have that because somebody somewhere had that and ours didn't, and I said, that's what's supposed to go there, because there was a spot where something was supposed to be, and that's what it's supposed to look like and where it's supposed to go. I have never had this much joy throughout the year by opening this box and finding that this doormat was exactly what I ordered. I felt like a kid for just 10 seconds. It was fantastic. Let's put it in place. I should probably power wash that. That would be the wise thing to do, but no. No. We don't have time for that. There you go. That's what it's supposed to look like. That is peachy keen. I love it. And people are going to trip over the daisy on it, and then it's going to fall off, and I'm going to get angry. And as you can see, it also has sun on it. That's bristles popping through. You can adjust. There we go. One more over there. There we go. I love it, and people will trip over that and it'll fall off or break or something, and the sun is on it, so it's going to fade, and that's great. And yeah, that's all there, and it's absolutely perfect in every way, and it feels nice even with bare feet. Wow, that is cool. That is going to be weird walking on that. It's very cushy. Wow. That is really cool. I am really happy about that. Really happy that I got that. I'm even happier because I bought another one. I'm going to store this away in the garage so it doesn't get damaged by the sun. And as far as the old one, I kind of am more used to that green instead, but it is what it is. I just wanted one with the daisy, so it'll have to be. And it's in a lot better shape than the old one. This might work in the garage by the man door. So, you know, why throw it out? It's kind of useless, but at least, you know, if you got boogers on your shoes or something, you can, it'll still do the trick for that. So kind of a 3-for-1 special kind of type thing. This brought me so much joy to have this perfect brand new. Wow, I can't even anymore. I just can't even. That is really cool. I can't wait. I can't wait. So like I said, not a review or anything, just another relic from my childhood that I had to have again. And they still make it. It's still made in USA, and I got it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. And isn't it amazing that I can talk at length about a fucking doormat? Yep. All right. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.